A prominent visitor in Munich, the Münchner Kindl explores high-tech. Welcome to the Center of Competence. Welcome to ASMPT SMT Solutions.
Munich, it's not just beer and Oktoberfest, and ASMPT SMT Solutions is far more than mechanical engineering. We develop highly innovative hardware and software solutions for electronic manufacturing. They form the foundation of key technologies of the digital world. From artificial intelligence to smart mobility to connected living. All this makes our everyday life around the globe simpler, more efficient and safer.
Greetings to the Münchner Kindl and all the techies out there. At ASMPT SMT Solution, we make innovation happen. We bring tomorrow's technology to life today.
Munich is a think tank for AI and sustainable technologies. At ASMPT SMT Solutions, I take on responsibility and actively contribute to shaping the future. Groundbreaking high-tech innovations from the cosmopolitan city with heart by ASMPT SMT Solutions, the global market and technology leader. Future made in Munich. Where else?